Scissors, paper, glue, and markers. Fold 2 pieces of paper the exact same size. Take one, cut along the fold. Open it up, poke it through, and fold it again. Glue. Make sure when you're gluing, you're not gluing inside the hole. Glue the 2 pages together, leaving the hole uncut. Now I'm going to cut out a piece of paper. Small little square that'll fit in the middle of those 2 pages. On this paper I'm going to draw a heart with some cartoony hands and a face. And a big smile. Trim. I'm going to cut along the top and along the sides. Now I'm going to write. I love you. And the bottom I'll put some X's and O's. I'll color the little heart. Now I'm going to glue the heart, and we're going to put glue right on that little square there. And there's our card. On one side I'm going to write the word open. Ta-da!